Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Top Ideas with new video. In today's video, we have a very informative topic for you. You would definitely enjoy and be appreciated us after watching this video because I'm bringing you today's list of top 10 ways to earn money online. Without wasting time, let's move forward to video. Most people try to earn money online, and sometimes they fall prey to the scammers. If you want to know that how to earn money online, then you came to the right place. Now a good news is waiting. The majority of online revenue strategies are not that complicated. Like any business venture, your online income takes time to grow. You need to be willing to devote the time and energy required to get your idea off the ground. If you're angling to earn money online, but are not sure where to start, here are 10 best ways to make money online. Freelance. Most people are familiar with the term freelance. A freelancer is a person who is self-employed and is not committed to any specific employer. In many fields and industries, the term freelancing is common. Music, writing, acting, web design, graphic design, translating, illustrating, film and video production are the fields where freelancing is predominant. Some companies or organizations hire freelancers. Freelancers work with companies or organizations, and this does not make them their employee, rather they work with that company on a contract basis. Digital marketing. With the advancement in technology and the influx of different social media apps, digital marketing becoming common in world. Digital marketing is a term that includes advertising, promoting and creating online presence of businesses through different digital platforms. Digital marketing includes websites, social media, and various other platforms. Now you'll be thinking that how to earn money through digital marketing. It's not that difficult, but it takes time to earn good money through digital marketing. You should be aware of some necessary things if you are planning to open a digital marketing agency. Must have relevant skills. If you want to open a digital marketing agency, you should know about advertising on different social platforms. Approach some brands and try to convince them. If they agree that you can advertise their brand on social media, then congrats, you can start earning money. Affiliate marketing. Whether you have a website or are still dreaming up ideas for a blog, you can also look into affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you partner with brands and businesses within the content of your website. If you mention a product or service, you link to that produce or service using a unique affiliate code you received when you signed up for that particular affiliate program. From there, you'll make money anytime someone buys a product or service through your link. Blogging. Blogging is the best way to earn money online. You can start your blog, or you can write for different websites. It depends on you how you want to earn money. If you plan to start your blog, then you should have good writing skills. You can write different blogs, like it can be a news-related blog, or a product, service review, or celebrity blog. You can write anything you want, but don't try to copy others' work. If you want a blog site, then you can go to WordPress and create your blog. You need Google Adsense to put up ads on your blog and start earning. You will earn money after 5 to 6 months, so be patient. With the increase in traffic on your blog, you will start earning money online. Consulting. Another way to make money online is via consulting. If you're an expert in any field, you could potentially find people willing to pay you to counsel them on their personal or business goals. You might think you're not important enough to consult for big companies, but you could be surprised at the types of expertise people will pay for. Online course. If you have any skill you can teach others. It's also possible to set up an online course you can market online. You can find online courses that teach anything from cooking to marketing or even freelance writing. Most people set up their online course through a platform like teachable.com. With Teachable, you can upload your course materials and use the platform to manage customers and accept payments. Data entry. You can get a lot of data entry jobs. Data entry job is the best way to earn money online. You just need to have basic computer skills for this job. It is a time-taking the job. To get data entry, you can use Freelancer, Upwork, and some other websites. You can also look in your social circle for a person who is doing data entry work. Data entry job is best for students. YouTube. YouTube is another platform that has made it possible for people to earn money online. There are a ton of YouTube channels out there on any topic if you can think of, and most of the people with a big following are earning some money in exchange for their videos and time. Google Adsense. If you've visited any website, you've seen Google ads. These ads are everywhere, and for good reason. Not only are they easy to set up on any basic website, but they can be lucrative once your website starts bringing in a steady amount of traffic. One of the cool things about Google AdSense is that it's so easy to get set up. If you have a blog or website, you can sign up for a free Google AdSense account. From there, Google will give you a unique code that you will paste onto your website. Google takes it from there, tracking your page views, traffic, and earnings on your behalf. There is no upkeep or maintenance to get this thing going, which makes it a no-brainer if you have a website already. Sell products on Facebook or Instagram. Suppose you are tight on budget and you cannot create your e-commerce website. Then Facebook or Instagram is best for you. Here are steps to selling products on Facebook or Instagram. Make a page on Facebook or profile on Instagram. Decide the name of your Facebook page or Instagram profile. Now add all the images of the products which you will sell. Boost your profile or Facebook page by giving money for advertisement. This way you can get clients. If you start getting orders, then congratulations, you can earn money online. Thanks for watching.